Bakit ko sinasabi ito? Kasi ganun po kami kalalim, sir, mag-infiltrate, magkukunwari, manlinlang, manloko ng mga tao. Even the government maluloko namin. What's the logic of that? Ganun po ang panuloko sa Congress. Are we dead man walking, sir? Yes. Ang wife ko ngayon, sir, inaharas sa Iloilo City.
Pero it seems na yung pagtiwalag ninyo, hindi ganun ka-risky. Para madali lang kayo nakalabas eh. Like si Kaamihan.
Tumakas kasi siya, sir, sa loob. I think pwede siyang magsalita tungkol doon. Hinabol pa siya sa labas. Ganon din sa akin, sir.
Okay.
Nang magtago ako sa Tagaytay, nang bumalik ako sa Iloilo City, after I talked to Secretary Raul Gonzales, nang buhay pa siya noon, hinabol pa ako at pinareport sa region, sa headquarters ng region, sa Igbaras, sa minimension niya. And I was made there to stay 3 months. Pag-isipan mo, Eric, dito ka na kumilos muli sa Panay. Hindi naman nila alam na nag-NPA ka. And now they're denying na NPA ko. So sabi ko, sige, pag-isipan ko. So the process of recruitment, sir, ay mabilis. Pero yung pag-alis mo napakahirap. Kapag talagang aalis ka, mag-aawol, like nag-awol ako, sir. So pag-awol ko, sinabihan ako na pwede ka ba mag-infiltrate sa city government so that we can have a base for the government employees, more than 4,000 sa City Hall. And to move forward, yun pong rason, sir, hindi na po ako magtatago sa inyo.
The best way out is to contact first, to have a contact person first, who would take care of you once you're out, di ba?
Agree po ako, Mr. Chair. That should be. Pero, sir, dahil sa matagal na panahon kaming pinaniwala na hindi mapagkatiwalaan ng gobyerno, papatayin kami, nag-aalangan kami. Ang nangyari sa akin, sir, I have a personal friendship with Secretary Raul Gonzales. He was part then of the core group for the Era of Resign movement. And pareho kaming Ilonggo. I was able to penetrate. In fact, sir, maglalahad na ako, sir, confession time na naman ito. When I was with the NPA, National Operational Command, when Secretary Raul Gonzales, ito nakikinig lahat, was DOJ Secretary, our backstop ID ay WPP, Witness Protection Program, pero NPA, National Operational Command kami. Saan ko pa kinuha? Sa loob ng Padre Faura. Pero sa isang undersecretary niya, nandyan din siya. So, ganun kalalim po mag-infiltrate ang CPP. Hindi ko to sinabi noon, nakuha na rin ito sa akin. When I go to the airport, ang ID ko WPP.
So, hindi alam ni Secretary Raul Gonzales na ini-infiltrate nyo pala yung DOJ?
Alam niya na NPA ako.
Yeah, alam niya dati ka NPA kasi sa kanya ka nag-seek ng sanctuary.
Eh,
Pero hindi niya alam na infiltrator ka pala ng DOJ at the time.
that was
Ang
part of
cover mo is nasa WPP ka.
NPA talaga kami, sir, pero that was 2006, 2007.
At the time, you were not yet cooperative
Yeah.
sa government.
Hindi pa po ako cooperative sa government. We were using the DOJ access
Yeah.
because of my personal friendship to Secretary Gonzales then to get backstop ID and access to the programs of WPP to cover our operations. Pero NPA kami. Bakit ko sinasabi ito? Kasi ganun po kami kalalim, sir, mag-infiltrate, magkukunwari, manlinlang, manloko ng mga tao. Even the government maluloko namin. What's the logic of that? Ganun po ang panuloko sa Congress. When Amihan, Noel, and me, and the rest, hundreds of us now, telling the Senate, right before you, Mr. Chair, and the people, Mr. Senate President, na kami manluloko, totoo yun. Saan ka nakakita sa Pilipinas lang na ang Congress natin, may party group ang Communist Party sa loob. May sweldo pa at may pondo na 68 million per year each one of them. And then ngayon, hindi sila haharap dito sa amin para magkonfrontahan dahil iniiwas nila ang issue, dalhin na lang daw sa korte. Sa korte, iba ang rules of evidence. Dito sa Senate, as a public opinion, ito ang tamang korte pertaining to this kind of modus operandi. And we're thankful for this opportunity. Not only for you, Senator Ping and the Senate President, but this is for the people. Lantaran na ito. Hindi ko na po sasabihin ang ibang infiltration operations namin. Precisely po, kasi baka makalimutan po ninyo bakit ko nagagawa ko yon. I was part of the N2 of the NPA National Operational Command. My work is to infiltrate.
Ito ng Philippine Navy.
No. Marami pa kaming ginawa na nanggagaling sa inyo po mismo. N2 is intelligence unit ng NPA. The NPA has N1, N2, N3, N4, N5 hanggang N6. N2 is intelligence. Intelligence unit ng NPA. Kaya,
Pareho rin ng military. N1 is personnel.
N1 is personnel and training.
N3 is operations.
SOG. Yun ang dalawang platoon dati na naka-full-time na.
So ginagaya yung armed forces, yung
Yun ang tumira
structure.
sa kay Quintanar entry yun.
Yes, yeah, General Perlade.
Mr. Chair, gusto kong balikan
No, I'd like to reiterate, it is unfortunate that those that we invited from the militant groups are not here. Kasi kung nandito sila, mas malaya yung talakayan natin, and they are here to rebut, to disagree, no, and to justify or to disprove. Yan ang malungkot dito. Wala sila, it's actually their loss, because they chose not to be here. Sige, General Perlade.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Actually, gusto kong balikan, sir, yung issue on these celebrities. Kasi importante ito dahil alam ni Ka Eric ito na gamit yung celebrities because this is one way of convincing the masses that they are winning. Actually, sinasabi nila, kita nyo, ito, may makasama na tayo mga artista, kaya sumali tayo
Ay,
sa...
sandali baka lang makalimutan ko. Tingnan mo lang kung tama itong, yung nakasulat dito sa aking Senate resolution, yung isa sa mga whereases. Facebook account mo ito, no? Whereas on October 21, 2020, Lieutenant General Antonio Perlade Jr. posted the following message on the National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict Facebook page. Ito yung direct quote. Let us not red tag Liza Soberano. It's not fair to her. She's merely supporting advocacy for women's rights. She has to be protected in the exercise of her rights. Is she an NPA? No. Of course not. Not yet. So let's help educate her and the other celebrity targets of Malayang Kilusan ng Bagong Kababaihan o Makibaka, the underground mass organization hiding under Gabriela Women's Party. So, and so forth and so on. Ito yung medyo masamang parte na open to misinterpretation or, shall I say, for lack of a better word, exploitation. Sinabi mo kasi rito So, Representative Arlene Brosas and Gabriela, shame on you if you haven't informed your recruits about your hidden violent agenda. Now, Gabriela is claiming that it is not an armed group, which you have just confirmed. So, why right here, but mo sinabang hidden violent agenda, and they are not an armed group? Okay, to proceed, Liza Soberano, there's still a chance to abdicate that, referring to Gabriela Youth Group. If you don't, you will suffer the same fate. Ito binabanggit ni Senator Kiko kanina. As Josephine Ana Lapira, bakit mo dinugtungan pa ng ganun?
I have to cite examples to make them realize that the threat is real. That there are so many instances already. In fact, that's why I cited the incidents, September incidents, because it's recent. And I have to cite those just to give them an idea. But an idea of these activists against the terrorists. So yun lang po, sir.
But your problem is it's subject to so many interpretations. It may sound like a threat coming from you. You see what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anyway, that's for future reference.
Anyway, sir, I also mentioned there Ella Colmenares because it's really true that Ella is an NPA. I never said that Angel Locsin is an NPA. But ito yun, ang statement nila yun, sinasabi niya na hindi raw siya NPA. I never said that she is an NPA. Angel Locsin is an NPA. No, sir. I never said that Nery Colmenares is an NPA. No. Ang sabi ko, CPP, si Nery Colmenares. Those are two different things. So now, we have so many witnesses actually who can testify that Ella Colmenares was part of the underground. It's not only Eric who saw her. In fact, dyan po sa Tanay ngayon, they're there and they're ready to be interviewed. If we can call Mirna Paray, who's a member of the...
Glad you mentioned that in your own words that Angel Locsin is not an NPA. I'll make a disclosure. Her fiancé, yung si Neil Arce, is a family friend. As a matter of fact, pag kinasal yung kukunin ako ninong. So, I'm just making a disclosure. Mabuti na yung Kantas Claras. And I'm glad that you mentioned that she's not an NPA.
Yes, sir. They're not.
And I hope she's monitoring para malaman niya na sa'yo mismo nang galing na hindi siya NPA. And I think she will feel relieved coming from you na talaga hindi siya NPA, referring to Angel Locsin.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. But sana
Please
hindi na siya magsinungaling na si Ella Colmenares ay hindi NPA. Dahil talagang NPA si Ella Colmenares.
Or
And
she may not know that. And I'm not trying to defend her. Pero she may not know that. And you wouldn't know that for a fact na hindi niya alam or alam niya, hindi ba?
I know that she knows.
Okay, sige, I'll give it to you.
So anyway, sir, we came here, we took our oath, and we're not going to say any lies here. And that's the reason why we wanted them to come here also para sagutin yung mga tanong nila kung meron silang mga tanong.